Hello everyone, my name is Ali. I'm self-taught software engineer and this is the project 0 of the CS50 Web programming with Python and JavaScript course, which is introduced by the University of Harvard. Now I'll show you how it's look like. This design is responsive on the mobiles, tablets and laptops. It's made with the Bootstrap 4 and the help of Sass styling language. It has no JavaScript, no jQuery, no Python, only hypertext markup language and CSS style sheets as the list of the requirements of the project. But I think it's pretty cool to add some Google fonts and icons from Font Awesome. So there is an navbar at the top of the page contain an ordered list, logo of the brand, Jumbotron, and there's some information about Coures ID 19 and 2 paragraphs, which are the grid system. Also, we have a table contain the numbers of the cases affected by Coures ID 19 in many countries till now. We have ordered list and 2 royalty-free images. This is the CDA section for the newsletter, so this makes sense to collect some emails. The footer section has 2 unordered lists, logo and social accounts. Okay, cool. Next. Now let's take a look on the other page of the website. We have prevention. Prevention is a big article about Coures ID 19. The original article is from the World Health Organization. We have embedded YouTube videos which are responsive. We have About Us page. The About Us page have a simple paragraph, and we have also Contact Us page. Contact Us page have a contact form and simple design and clean. Thank you for watching. I will leave you with the code on Sublime. This is the markup language in the README file. Contain some information about the project. This is the index file, index.html. These are the style sheets. Google Fonts. This is the Sass file. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.